Have you lost data? If you have, eRelief can help you. eRelief is dedicated to providing the best data recovery software to recover lost data like photos, videos, music, documents, archive etc. from Windows, Mac, iOS, Android etc. No matter what reasons cause data lose, it can be recovered no matter how large your lost file size is. It can be recovered by this powerful and professional data recovery software. Retrieve lost files is as easy as 123 Step 1. Preview and select which file type you want to start recovering. Step 2. Select the location from which you like to retrieve the lost or deleted files and click Start Scan button to continue. Step 3. After the scan progress, switch to Recover File panel to select the lost or delete files you want to restore and finally click Recover button to start and finish recovering files.